Guys, you guys didn't see it, but I deleted these rear markers, took them off, cut a piece of metal, welded it in. It did warp the panel a bit, but not a lot. Noah's been working some Bondo over it. It's actually a really thin layer, even though it doesn't look like it. And back here, there's rust like this, as you can see. So the weather stripping is like attached here, and water's just running down and going straight in. So I patched on that side. Looks terrible. Still needs to be cleaned up a lot, but the weather stripping fits over it, so that's all that matters. That's going to keep water out. So I'm going to do the same over here. So the first step is to cut it out, which is the worst part because it's sad. And then yeah, I'm going to weld a new piece of metal in here, and then weld a new strip along here like I did on that side. Yeah, so let's get to it.
Meantime, Ben got his engine in. Looks real nice, man. The high-rise header in there. Decent.
Man, there's like only female connectors.
I know. I think there's a bunch of shit missing in there.
Cause like the only male connectors is like on the fucking like.
Well, there's a lot of stuff that isn't getting hooked up.
On the fuse box. And like I'm looking, I see like, okay, like there's 6 pins. I'm like looking, it's like, okay, let's find a 6-pin one. No 6-pin fucking female.
Yeah, Ben's got to put his wiring harness back in, and he cut a bunch of shit out from, I don't even know why, but
Boom, right here.
We're working on trying to figure out where shit goes for him.
Alright, so now that we've cut out this rust, I'm gonna make a little template for the new piece of metal that's going in there. Oh fuck. It's going to look something like this, something like this, something like this. And obviously we don't know what we're doing, so like, don't get too fired up if you know what you're doing. We're doing it wrong. Because this is gonna work. Yeah, I'm just gonna fucking connect this shit. Because we're here. Extra chassis bracing.
2 more connections.
Shut up, man. Fucking noise from the peanut gallery over here.
Fuck you, man.
What is the size of a peanut, too? Alright, I guess I'll cut this out. Look at that, man. This is so fucked, like, that we're doing this. I'm not qualified, man. But then again, I don't give a fuck. Because life's about living and learning. You can take that one to the bank. Oh! Moogie. Looking at these edges. Wow. Okay. Now, take this little bitch. How you not go? Put my dick in a bag of Doritos. This is fucked. Science.
Fuck it.
That old rail shit.
Wait, don't get too close to that. Okay, so that piece is in. Now I just have to put this little piece on. So I'm just gonna mark out how much of a length I need. And then cut out a strip. Okay. Like that. To that. And go over to our metal. Mark off a strip that long. And yeah, give this a gold. How did both caps come off of this? I see what's going on here. But yeah, looks like shit right now, but it's gonna get grinded a lot more than it is. Obviously, we're not professionals. Probably know that by now. But yeah, we'll give this a go.
What is that, man? Oh, no doubt.
What is it?
I got ketchup chips.
What is it? What do you say?
Ketchup chips, man.
I got safety on. What?
I'm not doing that again. Shut up.
Okay, well I got the strip cut out. Got the stripper right here.
How's it fit? Let's see.
Huh?
How's it fit? Wow, Noah. Guy really likes Bondo, hey? No doubt.
You be the Bondo guy, I'll be the welding guy.
Okay.
We'll both do subpar jobs.
Just call it truck Bondo.
How do you shut the fuck up, MILF man? Nice.
This is so fucking stupid.
Do you want me to do it?
No, it's fine. It's just dip.
I'm like, oh Ben, quite not seeing you here.
Yeah, and Nismo's like, please Ben, help.
It's kind of starting to work.
There's a rust hole down there.
I know, I need to take the bumper off. I don't know how to take the bumper off though. Oh. Nelson can do that. Can you get this edge?
Probably not. Let's just dry. I'll sand it quick, and then we'll put another coat. And like, cause this is like, just cause it's so like, you just gotta do as many times as you can until it looks alright. And you stop.
Yeah, like quit while you're ahead kind of thing.
Yeah. Like, so it's like looks like fuck, and then looks like fuck, and you're like, oh
yeah, leave it alone, leave it alone.
alone.
Experts, wow.
This is gonna look so fucked.
No doubt. In a good way though.
Yeah. Alright. This bone is way better than fucking Moto Master shit. I kinda just wanna leave it like this.
I kinda wanna try to get that edge. Like we said, do seam filler. Like if you just want like laid some on, you would just put your finger.
Can I say this for the camera?
I guess.
Dude, imagine having the chance to buy S13 and buying a 240.
First and last time Nelson used to say anything. So we got a little bond on here. We'll sand it next day. Doesn't look too good. Don't look too close. Both sides.
Yeah, this one looks better.
Yeah.
More presentable.
Just a skim coat. We'll sand it down. But yeah, there you go. Ben, what are we commenting?
Ooh.
Oh wait, yeah, look at this.
240s on the left.
Yeah, so next video.
Yankee Doodle the engine out, I guess.
Yeah.
And start the rebuild process.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Ben? Ben's car is going to be wired for next time we come.
Ooh, hopefully.
We'll be ready to go, right Ben?
Yeah, hopefully. I don't know.
Alright, give us a question, buddy.
Favorite utensil? Have we asked this one before?
For what purpose?
Yeah.
Like anything. Like you used butter knives, spoons.
You know what it should be? Do you eat macaroni with a spoon or a fork?
No, that's...
Ooh.
No.
Or
That
macaroni
wasn't
with
weird.
ketchup or no ketchup.
Oh, what?
Yeah, that's a good one.
KD with ketchup, you're fucked.
Yeah, that's weird.
I kind of agree.
My uncle in Denmark does it. I'm like, man, come on.
You do it with hot sauce.
No.
Yeah.
Pepper.
Dude, Katie hot sauce smacks.
Smacks?
Yeah.
Slaps.
Okay, get it.
That's not fucking kill you.